Good morning, students. You are welcome to learn maths activities. From this video, you will learn
that addition and multiplication of whole numbers is commutative by paper cutting and pasting activity. So students, in doing it we require colored papers. One is red, one is blue, with centimeter squares cutouts as made here stepwise.
students. You can see centimeter marks on the red color paper. Up to 3 centimeter, we have made 3 squares, each 1 centimeter side. So we have marked 6 squares and now we will cut in 3. You can see we are cutting it. So a set of 3 squares we have cut first. Another set of 3 is also cut. Same thing we will cut from the blue color paper, but this time 4 set, 4 squares together. So blue squares are ready to be cut in the set of 4. One set is cut, 4 squares together in blue color. Other set of 4 squares is also cut in blue color. So students, we have got complete set of 3 red squares in 2 sets and 4 blue squares in 2 sets. So we have complete paper cuttings available now. So we can use this in our activity.
Let us begin with procedure A. We will verify here by taking two numbers 3 and 4 that 3 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 3. This is commutativity of whole numbers. So we paste 3 red squares twice and again we paste 4 blue squares twice as shown in 1A and 1B. So we finished 2 steps by now. Let us go to the third step. Here we have pasted 3 red squares first and then 4 blue squares adjacent to them. So students, figure 1C shows 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Again, students, in the same way, we paste first 4 squares of blue color and adjacent to them 3 squares of red color as shown in figure number 1D. So students, figure number 1D shows 4 plus 3 again is equal to 7.
So students, you can clearly see the cutting and pastings which is to be done by you for this activity.
And now students, for the observations, you can easily fill them correctly. So students, clearly you can see that 3 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 3 from paper cutting and pasting. Hence, addition is commutative for whole numbers. So students, we have finished the first A part of this activity. Similarly, you can proceed for the B part, that to verify the multiplication of whole numbers is commutative by taking two numbers again, 3 and 4. That is, to verify 3 into 4 is equal to 4 into 3. And you will proceed in the same way following the steps 1 to 5, and you will fill the observations correctly. So this is in total the third activity for you students.
Students, I hope most of your theoretical doubts have been cleared by this activity. Thank you for watching it.